If we look at the graphs of the motion now of the cannon, and look once again at the multiple images that we did in the previous slide, we can see the constant horizontal speed. And in terms of a graph, then that's a simple flat line for the graph. If we look at the vertical speed, then we can see decelerating on the way up and accelerating on the way down. Now we generally show downwards as being a negative velocity, so the velocity starts positive, decreases to 0 on the way up, and then increases in a negative direction. So the graphs, when you look at both together, would look like that. Now notice in the second graph that the gradient is constant negative gradient, because the acceleration is the minus 9.8 meters per second, both on the way up and on the way down. On the way up, that's what causes it to slow down. You're subtracting velocity away on the way down, way up. And on the way back down, you're adding negative velocity basically, so you're getting faster and faster in a negative direction, which is downwards.